There isn't a single part of Bruce Wayne's life that we don't know about.
I'm Bruce Wayne.
His joy.
Selina Kyle. People call me Cat.
His disappointments.
Nice to meet you, Cat.
His desire.
I can feel your heart hanging in the air.
You saw her
I'm counting every step
the night she was
as
killed.
you climb the stairs.
And you saw me,
Buried in your
what I did,
bones, I see it in your closed eyes.
what I didn't do. What are you talking about? What could you have done? I don't know, something.
The night your parents were killed, I should have done something.
Selina, you've done enough.
Coming like a hurricane, I take it in real slow. The world's spinning
Selina.
like a wave.
You want to say something?
Fragile and cold.
It's a lovely dress you're wearing tonight.
You look very nice.
You two are a couple now?
Yes.
Breaking down
We're not.
again.
Why did you tell Ivy we weren't a couple?
Why did you tell her we were?
Is that a true question? Does this mean you are my girlfriend?
Shut up.
You in.
Why can't we just be us?
7
I thought we were
times
friends.
I know you better than that.
I wasn't willing to risk my neck for someone else because I didn't care.
Clearly you have no idea.
7 times the flame. Too much.
I thought you did. We are not the same, Bruce.
That's not true. I feel something. And I know you do too. We're the same.
Against your skin.
There's something between us. I know there is.
The world we know
You have to see that.
turns in the wind. Coming like a
My life here.
hurricane. I take it in real slow.
Boyfriend's worried.
And I will kill everyone you love. Let her go.
Now listen closely to what you must do. Just as you watched your parents die, when they'd had you, there would be nothing you can do about it.
I thought he was gonna kill you, Selina, and there was nothing I could do.
I'm gonna be here whenever you need.
But I will not have you put that little girl's life in danger.
Are you gonna leave me? Where's Bruce?
No, I'm gonna be right here.
I promise.
It's either the work or it's her.
I promise.
You can't have both.
It's all we know.
So, when he whispered to her, what did you say? You want to know what I said? I told her I've never met anyone like her. I told her I trusted her with my life. I said, back off!
Selina. And then I felt tied to her in a way that I couldn't explain but wouldn't change.
That was true.
Yes.
Watch it go. Watch it go.
I was out the other night and I felt someone watching me.
Felt the breeze when you came in the window.
I know it was Bruce. He left Alfred. Everything we went through, one day he's just gone. He doesn't get to come back after 10 years and act like nothing's happened.
You scared, Bruce?
Of course I'm scared. I won't lose you.
You were all I had. I'm not yours to lose. I know you wanted to protect me.
But I will return
Whose side are you on, Bruce?
when I know I'm able to protect the people you love.
But I didn't want to be protected. I wanted you.
Yours. Always.
So what happens now?
I don't know.
I don't know.
How it can change.
But I'll never leave Gotham again.
It's all we
Return the diamond.
all we know, the hurricane.
Like how?